Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to do the same effect we did for the shoulders, but now we're going to do it for the hips. It's going to be just a quick review of how to do that. Let's see if little Jimmy is happy about it. Oh, he's a little bit scared. Don't be scared, fella. Everything is gonna be just fine. So I'm going to select the left leg from here, from the timeline, because it's easier. You select remember, the first step is to select these three and make them visible. If you select them all together, you can bring the visibility by just clicking on one of them. You see? Woohoo! Okay, so let's take the leg duplicate, then pre-compose, leave all attributes in Jimmy, and then let's get it started. You take the line, cut, double click on leg duplicate, paste here, then remember it always goes down here. Okay? Oh, one other thing, you can move this canvas by pressing space and you get that hand, or you can press the middle button, the scroll button of the mouse. For me it's easier. Okay, so let's select both together by holding Control then T, bring the opacity down, and now let's get on to business. Okay, I think that does it. Let's review. Okay, everything is under control. You see this area here? It's all pretty. I like it. Now delete the duplicate, bring up the opacity, and close it. Close the composition. Now remember, you have to copy paste the effects from leg. You go to effect controls, select the puppet effect, copy, select the duplicate, and paste here. Bang. Now all you have to do is the matte, track matte, alpha matte to leg duplicate. There you go. It's all under control. Let's see, is he still scared? He's still scared. Don't worry. It's but no, don't worry. Take it easy. Now we're going to select the right leg from here, from the timeline. Right leg. There you go. I'm going to collapse this, select the duplicate. Oh, remember, we have to bring the visibility first, from here to here. I don't know if you're hearing those dogs. They're having a war outside. Okay, pre-compose. Okay, select the line, cut, double click on duplicate, paste, then reposition. Remember, it always goes down there because I don't know why he likes it down there. Opacity down by hitting T. I selected both of them. Now let's see. I'm going to use the semicolon, and I think that should do it. Yes. Now delete the duplicate, bring the opacity up, close that composition hitting this little X, then copy paste the puppet effect from here, select it, select the puppet, copy, I go to the duplicate, then paste, and then we're all set. All I have to do is use the track matte, alpha matte. There you go. And now I'm ready. Okay, wait. I want him to be very happy. Let me find the mouth. Okay, I'm going to hide those. Oh, he's satisfied. You see? Hey, told you, Jimmy. Everything is under control thanks to me. Yeah, you're happy? Yes. Alrighty then. Look, I can now select this and everything is fine. the arms. Stand up straight, will ya? There you go. Okay, now in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put his hands behind. Because what if I want him to have this position, but his hands behind him? Right now I can't, you see? I want him to have his hand resting behind him. Right here, he looks a little bit tense. Hey. See you in the next tutorial. This was pretty easy. It was a quick review. Okay.